Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Camilo from Encanto. So this was a request from this awesome person right here, and thank you so much for your request. And don't forget, people, you can always like and comment and subscribe. It super duper helps out the channel, and I love when it happens. And also, please remember that there is a contest going on right now at Daily Doodles, so if you're interested in that, all the information can be found down in the description box under this video. Okay, so with all of that said, let's start our doodle. So I'm going to start with the eyes. So let's see. Let's start right here and do a shape like this. Like that. And then I'm going to come on down and do the bottom of the eye. And the top part of the eye, I'm going to thicken that up a little bit. It's going to be a thicker black up top. Also, if at any point I seem like I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video or go back. It's all up to you. Okay, now we're going to do a circle inside that eye shape. And I'm going to do a little circle there at the top. And then a circle in the middle. And that middle circle, I'm going to color in all dark. Okay, and now I'm going to give a little bit of a space here, and I'm going to do the other eye. So we're going to do really similar to what we just did. A really similar shape to what we just did. So same top eye shape. And we're going to thicken up the top, make it pretty dark. And then bottom part. And then of course that inside circle with the top circle there, and then a circle in the middle. We're going to color in that circle in the middle. I'm going to thicken this a little tiny bit more. And same over here. Just trying to get them to match up a little bit better. It's okay if they don't totally match. That's fine. Okay, so next, a nose. So we're going to do a little curvy line like this. And then we're going to do a little nostril right here. And then another little nostril. And then another little curvy line. Okay, so I can kind of darken those a little bit. All right, and now let's do a mouth. And I'm gonna give him a smile. So we're gonna go kind of, gonna curve up a bit, and then we're gonna curve up a bit more. Kind of like a smirky smile. He's got like a little bottom lip here. Okay, and he's got some really curly hair. So I'm gonna start doing some little squiggly pieces of hair. And I'm gonna come on over this way and work on a bit of a face shape here. And give him a cheek. And over here on the other side, he needs another cheek. And come on down. And you know what? I'm going to give him a little bit of the top of his nose here. Like that. And we're going to give him ears. So we're not going to give him a full ear because he's going to have his hair covering his ear. So I'm going to do a little ear shape and just a little curve there on the inside of the ear, and same thing over on this side. Do an ear shape, do a little curve here, and give them some hair here. So he's got, his hair comes to a little bit past his chin. So let's see. Let's start doing all kinds of curls. This part maybe we'll speed up a little bit because it's just a lot of squiggly curls. All right, so now I'm gonna curve up this face a little bit. Okay, so now let's work on the neck. A little line here and a little line here. We're gonna come down a bit. And the collar of his shirt. So we're gonna do a funny little line like this. And it's a bit of a V-neck, so we'll come on up and you see how we got that little V here. So we come on up like this and do the back part of his shirt here, coming from behind the neck. And do a little line like that. We can come down right here and do a little button on the shirt here. And over here, we're gonna come from behind the neck again, that little part of the shirt, and come down and do the same thing. Like that. And a little line right here. And now he's wearing like a big yellow, I believe it's a poncho. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. And so that has a big V shape right here. So we can come on down here with the shoulder. And here on this side too with the other shoulder. And let's give the fabric a bit of movement here. So let's put in a few lines. Well, this here is where his like armpit would be, right here. And over on this side, same spot. And let's see, he's got lots of lines on this fabric. So we've got like one solid line coming down here, and then same over on this side. And so it's almost like the shape of a big Y. And it seems like the stripes continue to go that way. And they're mostly like a yellowy kind of shade. So let's see, do lots of lines. Okay, and now I'm gonna get to coloring. Oh my goodness, and I gotta pause it here. I totally forgot. He needs eyebrows. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's do a line like this over the eye, and then come on up a little bit and go back over, and I'm gonna darken that. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I almost forgot his eyebrows. Okay, and same thing over here. And darken it up. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, back to coloring. Alright everyone, so we are done our picture. I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really, really wonderful day. And I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. Okay everybody, goodbye!